Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a real world dictionary example. So we've got Billy Bob and Sarah Lou's store. So we created a dictionary here. So we've got in stock, we've got the keys and the values. So we've got beer here, that rhymes, 10 items, whiskey, 20 items, cigars, 100 items. So first of all we're going to create a function where we're going to add some stock to this dictionary. So create add stock, and we're going to use the print command to ask the user to add new stock. Okay, so then we're going to create a variable called items, and that's going to be input. So we're going to input an item into there, and then we're going to create another input. I'm going to call this number of items. So we're going to add some items, and this is going to be an integer because it's going to be a number. So it's going to be input number items. Okay, so that's going to be input the number of items into there. Okay, let's have a look here. I have to do that again. Input number of items. Okay, so we're going to input a new item and the number of items there. So we're going to say in stock that's going to be items. We're going to assign that to the number of items. Then we're going to print a message to the user. Updating. We're going to use the time function here. This will give us a pause of 1 second, and then we're going to print out a message to the user, and the new dictionary stock updated. So the new updated dictionary, and that's going to be in stock. Right, okay, let's just call that. That's going to be add stock. Let's just run that. Okay, add an item. So I'm going to add newspapers, number of items 34, dating. So we've got newspapers here 34. Okay, let's go on to the next part of this. Just going to clear this out here, and we're going to create a function called by stock. I'm going to print a message to the user, buy items, and then we're going to create a variable called items is equal to input by item, and then we're going to do the number of items is equal to integer because we're dealing with numbers here. Number of items that you want to buy. I'm going to do in stock. This is going to be items equal to -1 from the number of items. So if you buy an item, it will go down by 1. And then we're going to print updating stock. We'll do do the sleep here, time dot sleep. Give it a pause of 1 second because that makes it look like the program is running. Then we're going to print stock updated, and then we're going to print out the new stock list. Okay, all we have to do now is call the program. The program is called buy stock. Let's just run this. Okay, so we'll just zoom in a little bit here. So we've got the first one, buy item. Let's have a look. I'll buy, should I buy beer? Number of items, let's say 5. Updating stock, so beer has now 5 items, whereas before it had 10 items here. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.